Hey Nico, what are you watching on your laptop?
Oh, I'm watching a video of a worker doing concrete drilling at a construction site.
Wait, that's not the right way to handle drilling. He's not even wearing proper PPE. And is that slippers? Before starting any drilling work at a construction site, safety always comes first. Let's go through the important steps to keep everyone safe during concrete drilling.
Before the job begins, all workers must wear their PPE, which stands for Personal Protective Equipment. These are the types of PPE that are suitable for concrete drilling work. First, we have the face mask or respirator. This is important to protect the lungs from breathing in dangerous dust, especially silica dust that comes from drilling concrete. Next, we use safety goggles or a face shield. This helps protect the eyes from flying debris or dust that can cause eye injuries. Workers also need to wear ear protection like earplugs or earmuffs because the drilling process is usually very loud and can damage hearing over time. For the hands, anti-vibration gloves or cut-resistant gloves are recommended. These protect the hands from sharp objects and reduce the effect of strong vibrations from the drill. Lastly, steel toe boots protect the feet from heavy tools or concrete pieces that might fall. Besides PPE, safety signage is also very important. Signs like "Wear respirator" or "High noise area" remind workers about the hazards. Signs such as "Authorized personnel only" help keep untrained people out of the area, and emergency signs like "I wash station" help workers know where to go during an emergency.
Emergency preparedness is important to keep workers safe during unexpected situations. A fire extinguisher must be ready on site to control small fires quickly. The emergency stop button allows machines to be shut down immediately. A first aid kit and eye wash station must be available. A clear assembly point must also be marked.
All concrete drilling workers must complete Permit to Work (PTW) training to ensure only authorized and competent individuals perform the job and understand its risks. Workers must also be trained in safe drilling machine operation, including starting, stopping, controlling the drill, and emergency procedures. Proper training enhances safety and worker confidence.
Now, during the job, we start with preparation. First, assess the work area for hidden utilities like electrical wires or water pipes using detection tools. Ensure the area is safe before drilling. Next, select the right equipment, such as a hammer drill or core drill, and the appropriate drill bit for the task. Workers must wear proper PPE, including goggles, gloves, ear protection, a respirator or mask, and safety boots, to reduce the risk of injury from heavy and noisy equipment. Then, for equipment setup, we mark the drilling point clearly using chalk or a marker to show the exact spot. This ensures the drilling is done in the correct place according to the plan. If we're using a core drill, we make sure it is properly mounted or secured so it doesn't move during use. For wet drilling, we also need to connect the water supply. This helps cool down the drill bit and reduces the amount of dust in the air. When it's time to start drilling, we begin at a low speed. This helps the drill bit settle properly into the surface. We apply steady pressure, not too hard, to let the drill do the work safely and smoothly. The worker must stay in a stable position and maintain a firm grip on the equipment to prevent slips or kickback. Throughout the process, we must keep an eye on the drill in case it overheats or shows signs of damage, like worn-out bits or strong vibrations.
After drilling, first, turn off and safely store all equipment to prevent accidents. Cover or barricade any holes that could cause trips or falls, and remove any hazards like loose concrete or sharp debris. Next, clean up. Remove all concrete dust and debris, ideally with a HEPA filter vacuum. Clean and inspect all tools and equipment. Dispose of waste, concrete, packaging, used PPE, in designated bins, following the site's waste plan. Then, treat the holes. Clean them to remove dust and debris, especially if they'll be used for anchors. Prepare holes for the next steps, like fitting rods. Finally, inspect and document. Check each hole's size, depth, and location. Report any issues, such as hitting obstructions or damage, to the supervisor.
So, that's why following the proper steps before, during, and after concrete drilling is really important. It's not just about getting the job done, it's about doing it safely and responsibly.
Yeah, makes sense now. That guy in the video really took a lot of risks.
A lot goes into it. But when done properly with the right training, tools, and PPE, it can be done safely. That's the goal, to finish the job and still go home in one piece.
Got it. No shortcuts when it comes to safety.